You think you've seen crazy burgers? Wait until you meet these 10. Number 10. The Donut Burger. A juicy patty between two glazed donuts. Number 9. The Ramen Burger. Crispy noodle patties instead of bread. Number 8. Peanut Butter Bacon Burger. Sweet, salty, and surprisingly addictive. Number 7. The Black Squid Ink Burger. Jet black buns from Japan. Number 6. The Pizza Burger. An entire pizza wrapped around the meat. Number 5. The Deep Fried Burger. The whole thing dunked in batter. Number 4. Mac and Cheese Bun Burger. Cheesy buns made entirely from mac. Number 3. The Ice Cream Burger. Yes, ice cream and beef together. Number 2. The 100-Layer Burger. A skyscraper of patties. And number 1. The Tarantula Burger, topped with a giant spider. So which one would you dare to try?